Good morning, students. Today, students, we will do lesson number 3, addition and subtraction, activity 2, word problem. So let's start from question number 9 because we already done till question number 8. Question number 9 is, in 2014, there is a factory which produced 4,26,600 bulbs more than that in the year 2013. Means in 2013, if he produced some bulb, in that you have to add 4,26,600 bulbs more, because they are saying more than that one year. So they said the number of bulbs produced in 2013 was 68,46,325. So in this you have to add more bulbs, 4,26,600, and then you tell how many bulbs produced in 2014. So you write number of bulbs produced in 2013, 68,46,325. number of more bulbs produced, कितने bulbs produce और हुए हैं, what you do here, you will add them, 4,26,600. So number of bulbs produced in 2014, what you do, plus it. So plus it, 5 plus 0, 5, 2 plus 0, 2, 3 plus 6, 9, 6 plus 6, 12, 1 will go up, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, and 8 plus 4, 2, and 6 plus 1, 7. So answer is 72, 72, 925. Clear? Now we do question number 10. Question number 10 said the difference between two numbers is this. You have to find the bigger number if smaller number is this. When difference is given and the smallest number is given, so what you have to do? Whenever we find the biggest number means minuend. Whenever we find the minuend, in that case we have to plus difference as well as smallest number. Difference between two numbers is 24,50,175 and the smallest number is 1,528,978. So how to find minuend? By adding it. So 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 go up. 7 plus 7, 14, and 1, 15. 1 go up. 9, 10, 11. Then 0 plus 8, 9. 5 plus 2, 7. 4 plus 5, 9. And 3. So answer is 39,79,150. Clear? Now question number 11, see how we do. Nitin take a loan. There is a person who has taken a loan from a bank to buy a house, that is 35,50,000. If he has to pay 5,55,000 from his pocket, means this much money he has paid, you have to tell how much does the house cost. Means from this one money he paid 5,50,000. Clear? Bank, he has taken the bank amount 35,50,000 and from the pocket he has given 5,55,000. So total money, how much he has paid for the house? For that again we do plus. Loan taken by Nitin 35,50,000. She paid is 5,55,000. So cost of house will be what? Add them. 0, 0, 0, 5, 10, 10, 11, and this 4. So house cost will be 41,55,000. Clear? Because we are doing plus here. Now we do question number 12. Question number 12 tell us that there is a Vinay who purchased a car at a showroom price. Clear? 15,85,000. He spent on accessories, means after purchasing a car he paid more money on accessories of the car. Then he also paid the registration, insurance, and tax also. So total amount of the car will, what will be? For that also what we do? Plus. So now you add cost of a car, cost of accessory, cost of registration, then total amount he paid. 0 plus 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. 9, 10, 14. 5 plus 5 plus 5, it will be 15 plus 1, 16. 8 plus 8, 16 and then 17. 5 plus 1, 6 and then 1. So 16 lakh 76,415 he has paid for a car. Clear, students? Now we do activity 3, question number 1 also. It is based on difference. Difference means minus. It's a simple question. 7 minus 5 is 2. From 1 you can't minus 2, so you take from 6. 6 become 5 and this 1 become 11. 11 minus 2, 9. 5 minus 4, 1. 5 minus 1, 4. 3 minus 8, not possible, so you take from 2. 2 will become 1 and this 3 become 13. 13 minus 8, 5. 1 minus 3, not possible, take from 6. It becomes 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. And 5 minus 4 is 1. So answer is 1854192. Now B part. From 0 you can't minus, so you take from 5. 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. Then 0. From 5 you can't minus, so it becomes 15 now after taking from 7. 15 minus 7 is 8. 6 minus 6 is 0. So you take from 1 and it becomes 13. 13 minus 8 is 5. 0 minus 0 is 0. 8 minus 0 is 8. And 5 minus 1 is 4. So this one, question 1, you have to do in the book only. Now we will do question number 2. Question number 2 is arrange the in column. You have to do like question number 1 only. And subtract the following. After subtracting, you have to check your answer. Is your answer is correct or not? For that, firstly you write the number which is after from. And here I am doing A, C, E and G part. Rest part you have to do by your own. Clear? So let's start with A part. Firstly I have written 2, 3, 4, 7, 9, 7, 0 because this is the biggest number. And this is the smallest number. Now you minus it. 0. 7 minus 5 is 2. 9 minus 4 is 5. 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. And 1. Now you have to check the answer. How you check the answer? As in the 4th class also I told you. This is minuend, subtrahend and difference. When you check the answer, you have to write in opposite direction. Means firstly the answer. Firstly you write 1, 2, 2, 4, 5, 2, 0. Then you write second number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. Now this one minus sign will becomes plus sign. And now you add it. If this answer and this answer are same, it means your answer is correct. 0, 7, 9, 7, 4, 3, 2. Same answer is coming, so it is correct. Now we do another part. C part. 4 minus 0, 4, 8, 1. 9 minus 0, 9, 3. 8 minus 1, 7 and 6. Clear? Now check your answer. For check, firstly write the answer only. Then second number. Now in place of minus sign plus sign come. Answer comes 7, 8, 3, 9, 1, 8, 4. Clear? Now we do E part. In E part, 5 minus 0, 5. 1 minus 0, 1. 8 minus 5, 3. 4 minus 2, 2. It becomes 10. 10 minus 8, 2. It becomes 6. 6 minus 3, 3. 6 minus 2, 4 and then 3. So your answer is 3, 4, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1 5. Then second number is 1 2 3 8 2 5 0 0. And what we have to do? Plus them. Answer is 5 1 8 4 10 7 6 4. So same answer is coming, so it means our answer is correct. Now G part. In G part, 0 minus 0 0, 7 becomes 6, and this 6 3 become 9. So 13 minus 9 is 4, then again 4. 6 you can't minus, so you take from 5, it becomes 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. 4 minus 1 is 3. 0 you can't minus, 7 becomes 6, and this becomes 10. 10 minus 7 is 3, then 1, then 2. So again what you have to do? Check. For check you write 2 1 3 3 8 4 4 0, and second number is 0 9 2 8 1 7 5. Plus them. Answer will be 2 7 0 5 6 7 3 0. It means our minuend and our check answer is same. So students, whatever part left of it, that one part you have to do by yourself in the maths copy as I explained you. So I hope you understand today's lecture. So thank you and have a nice day.